I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have permissions. Open the Sharepoint home and click Create Site, then pick Communication Site. Explain why. Communication sites scale for broad audiences and require a clear name and address so links behave predictably. Once you pick a template, topic, showcase, or blank, set the language, sensitivity label, and privacy options. Make sure to choose a memorable URL. After that, click Next and assign an owner. This step ensures governance and future management. Now you build the homepage. Add web parts like Hero for focal content, News for updates, and quick links for navigation. Drag sections to rearrange. Explain why. Web parts control attention and reduce email traffic. Once done, configure the header and footer to reflect branding, then update the navigation menu with logical categories. Make sure to set a site theme and logo, and verify default permissions so contributors and readers see. When the page is ready, preview on mobile and desktop, then publish. You want to test every link, form, and embedded file so people won't hit dead ends. Once published, enable audience targeting for personalized sections and review site analytics after a day to spot engagement patterns. Make sure to configure sharing settings and search indexing. If something goes wrong, clear the browser cache and recheck permissions. That usually fixes missing content or access errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.